We have some breaking news, too, coming into us in just the last couple of minutes here. And it's something I can't remember the last time I said on the air, on live television, which is former President Trump's lawyers agreeing with the New York Attorney General. Yeah, the New York Attorney General who is investigating, right, the civil investigation into the Trump Organization. Let me bring in NBC's Tom Winter. Tom, that's unusual, right? Explain the details here.
Right. Well, I mean, it is unusual that there's any sort of agreement, as you correctly said, Hallie. Not unusual in this particular instance as it relates to what's going on legally. And so it was actually by today that the three Trumps, the former president, Donald Jr., his son, and Ivanka Trump, who we're looking at, were supposed to testify as part of civil depositions in an ongoing civil investigation being led by the New York Attorney General's office. They telegraphed immediately that they would file an appeal and did so on Monday of this week. And as a result of that appeal being filed with the New York State First Appellate Division, the two sides came together and said, look, it's going to create all sorts of issues for us if we try to move forward with this deposition. Let's fast track this appellate process, the various legal motions and briefs that need to be filed, hopefully get a decision soon from the appellate court. If they uphold the decision that's already been made, the Trumps will need to sit for their depositions within 14 days of that decision. If for some reason the appellate division rules the other way and determines that this is going to be stayed until the end of the criminal investigation being coordinated largely by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, then they'll obviously wait until that time period is over. And that's much more of a TBD than a specific date on that one, Hallie. But bottom line is at least going to be, we would suspect, based on the filings, another month or two before we get to a point whether or not we know they're going to have to sit for this deposition and whether or not that'll actually happen.